Here's my wife's brand new LT1 Camaro. We have done nothing to it until today. And we're just gonna do something really simple. $150 worth of parts, ain't nothing fancy. Muffler delete. That's right. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy on this one here. We got the big old suitcase right here that needs to go bye-bye. This thing is silent, and this is the single tip. That's okay. Quad tips are cooler, but this is what we got. But really easy. Hack it right there. Hack it right there. Should be able to use the factory hangers. Hopefully won't have to adjust things. I know this is just cheaper parts, I know. But just because it's really cheap doesn't mean it's not good. So this is what we got here. We got a nice 4-inch tip on it. Looks like it's galvanized, nice. Oh wow. Very nice GTO convertible. We got a little slip joint or whatever you want to call that. Dang. 69 Mustang. Holy crap. Yeah, just slide it on. And then we got these nice, I like these. Some people don't like them, some people do, but I like these clamps. I think they work pretty good. Put these guys on here. That should be it. Shouldn't take too long. Let's get to it. So all I'm doing is just kind of hand measuring it or eyeballing it. I want it to be about right there, about the same distance as the factory one is, so it's not sticking out too far or sticking in too far or too far in, or whatever you want to call it. And then it's gonna go about right there. And I'm gonna mark it, and I'm gonna cut hopefully once. If I mess up, shouldn't be too bad to fix, but this should do it. I did jack it up just a little bit just so that I got a little bit more room. Honestly, I could probably do this without doing this, but this just gives me about another 5 inches of play because I'm a little husky. That's it. Kind of weird how they crimp it right there, but I guess that's to avoid the axle. Interesting. But anyway, let's mark it up and let's cut it. So I wasted some electrical tape and marked it all the way around so I get a good nice straight cut, or at least try to. Got it on both sides, and there are these hangers. Where'd they go? I lost them. So up top there's a hanger right in there, and then there's a hanger right here. It would be easier, it's gonna be easy to just take these off and should just drop down. Same with these top ones here, these front ones or back ones, what do you want to call them. Just the same thing. I'm just gonna unbolt them and drop the whole thing. That way I can just stick them on these new ones. That way I don't have to fight with trying to set them into place and try and get them into the little holes that they're supposed to go into, the little grommets, little bushing things, whatever you want to call them. Because they do have a little nipple on them, and they're going to be a little tough to get in. It would be a lot easier to get them on first and then bolt them up. That's my plan anyway. We'll see how it works. So, let's get to cutting. Battery died. Alright, so a combination between that guy right there, got as far around as I could on both sides, and then there's just about maybe an inch that I couldn't get at the top, and that's where this guy came in handy. So now we're gonna go back and undo all of these here. Just unbolt them. And this whole thing should just drop on down. That easy. And then we'll slip the new ones on, bolt the hangers back up, and then we'll go vroom vroom. Well, it was actually easier than I had expected to get it out of the little grommets. And there we go. Junk. All right, let's get these new ones on before it rains. It is coming very quickly. Let's get it on. And I got everything except for the clamps on, but that's it. I got it pretty flush. There's a little bit of adjustment. We got about an inch worth of adjustment that we can play with, so I mean, for eyeballing it, hey, it's pretty good. I like it. So that's a perfect size for me. Less is more. It's almost still got like a stock look. I'm cool with it. I like it. There it is. So let's get the other side. And one thing I did do is I couldn't find my big file, unfortunately, but I got this little file, and I need to clean this up a little bit. Do the same on the inside of that guy right there. And we'll slide this guy on. And like I was saying, I didn't even have to take these off like I thought I was going to. They just pop right on. A little bit of WD-40. Right, y'all. WD-40. Spray it on there and they slide right in. I don't know if that's a little trick or not, but I saw somebody else do it, and I've been doing it ever since. A couple years now. But anyway, let's get that other one on. Let's see how this thing sounds. I'm really excited. Let's do it. There we go. There's the second one. Pretty good, pretty close to me. Now all we gotta do is just zip them down and we'll fire this puppy up. So if we go back, here, I'll tell you when I start. So if we go back and listen to how it originally sounded, this thing was pretty much silent. So now here's with just a muffler delete. Go ahead. We got this done just in time. It just started raining. Perfect. Simple $150 mufflers. Well, not even mufflers, just muffler delete or resonator delete, whatever these people call it nowadays. It's the thing that makes it quiet. Taken off. Garbage. Throw it away. Right there. Throw it away. Garbage. Maybe keep the tips. Tips look kind of cool. But anyway, cheap exhaust. Makes it sound a lot gooder. So I'm going to end it off right there. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.